Welcome to Proven Math. Today, we're to be learning about the basics of exponents. So to start off, we're to start with the exponent of 0, or the power of 0. So exponent can be interchangeable with the power to, the power of, just whatever you like to say, or your teacher likes to say. So the power of 0 has a pattern, as does, mostly every exponent. So x, or a number, to the power of 0 equals 1. So another example right here is 5 to the power of 0 equals 1. Even bigger number is 100,000 to the power of 0 equals 1. So ultimately you could say infinity to the power of 0 equals 1. So going to the next one, we're to go to x, or a number, to the power of 1. So x or a number to the power of 1 equals x, or a number. So anything to the power of 1 equals itself. And as an example, I have 7 to the power of 1 equals 7. So after the power of 1, everything else has the same pattern. So for a quick bit of terminology, x, or where the big number would be, is called the base, and then where the little number would be in the top right corner, it's the exponent. So right here, 4 is the base and 2 is the exponent. The pattern for this is, if the exponent is higher than 1, it tells how many times to multiply the base number by itself. And here at the bottom of the screen we have an example of so. So 3 to the power of 2 equals 3 times 3. So another way to think about this is that the exponent tells how many times you write the base out, and then you just fill in the in-between of the bases with multiplication. And that's the way I learned it, and that's also a neat little way to remember it. So 3 times 3 is 9, so therefore 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. Another example would be 4 to the power of 4. So basically you can just multiply 4 by itself 4 times, or write 4 out 4 times and then fill it in with multiplication. And then I showed my work. So 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64, 64 times 4 is 156. So in other words, 4 to the power of 4 is 256. So my last example is 2 to the power of 4. So again, you can just make 2 be multiplied by itself 4 times, or just write out 2 4 times and fill it in with multiplication. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So ultimately, again, 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. And if you didn't know this multiplication right here, I'm sorry, but that is sad. And you can just private message me, and I might make a video if enough people do that, and to help you learn or remember your multiplication. So some more terminology. If anything is to the power of 2, so like right here, x to the power of 2, that is squared. So anything to the power of 2 means squared. So if it's like a word problem, it might be x squared equals this, so what is the base number, or whatever. And then another one is to the power of 3, that is cubed. So yeah, this is used in area, and then squared is used in area, and then cubed is used in volume. And that's just some terminology for you to remember. So let's head on back up here. Oh, my bad, I went down. Alright, so proven math, yay. So in these videos I'm going to give you some questions, and I'd like you to leave the answers in the comments below. So when you leave an answer in the comment, I'd like you to do like Q1, so I know it's question 1. So Q1 equals whatever that equals, and then Q2 equals whatever it equals. So question 1 is 6 to the power of 6 equals what? Question 2 is 100 to the power of 0 plus 11 equals what? So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon. Thank you.